Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking for a quick, healthy, and delicious drink that's perfect for any time of the day, whether it's breakfast, a post-workout snack, or even a light dessert, you're in the right place. Today, I'm sharing my all-time favorite strawberry banana smoothie recipe. It's creamy, naturally sweet, packed with vitamins, and takes just a few minutes to whip up. Plus, it's a fantastic way to sneak in fruits and get that energy boost you need to power through the day. So if you're trying to eat cleaner, live healthier, or just love a good smoothie, keep watching because you're going to want to make this again and again. Let's start with the ingredients. You only need 4 simple things, and chances are you already have them in your kitchen. Here's what you'll need: 8 to 9 fresh strawberries, 2 ripe bananas, 1 cup of cold milk. You can use dairy or plant-based milk. Totally up to you. 2 teaspoons of sugar, optional depending on your sweetness preference. That's it. Simple, fresh, and wholesome. All right, let's get blending. Step 1, prep your fruits. Start by washing your strawberries thoroughly and removing the stems. You can also cut them in half to make blending easier. Next, peel your bananas and break them into smaller chunks. Ripe bananas work best here. They're naturally sweeter and give the smoothie that creamy texture we all love. Step 2, add everything to the blender. Now, grab your blender jar. Add the strawberries first, followed by the banana pieces. Pour in 1 cup of cold milk. If you like your smoothie a bit sweeter, go ahead and add 2 teaspoons of sugar. You can also skip the sugar if your fruits are already super sweet or if you're watching your sugar intake. Pro tip: want an even colder and thicker smoothie? Use frozen strawberries or add a few ice cubes to the blender. Step 3, blend it up. Blend everything on high for about 30 to 60 seconds or until the mixture is smooth and creamy. Stop and scrape down the sides if needed. You're aiming for a silky texture, no lumps or chunks. Step 4, serve and enjoy. Pour your strawberry banana smoothie into a tall glass, add a reusable straw, and you're ready to sip and smile. You can also top it with a slice of banana or strawberry for a pretty presentation, especially if you're making it for guests or snapping a photo for Instagram. Now, let's talk about why this strawberry banana smoothie recipe is so special. Balanced nutrition. You get fiber, antioxidants, vitamin C from strawberries, and potassium